Hello. This is a case study about taxes. So you will be able to read the description of the case study summary here and directions and information about our test. So basically, since some of you will be working at home and some of you will be at school, our tests are probably going to look more of this applicable case study situation as long as we're in this hybrid model or full remote option. So a few things. You will have 2 days to complete this case study. So for everyone on the hybrid option, that means you'll have 1 day at school and 1 day at home to work on this. Remote people, you'll have 2 days worth of class time to finish this. So this is our test. We'll have 2 days. Any question that I need you to answer will be written in green, and we'll go over how to navigate this. So basically, this is a case study about two people, Susan and Ren. Susan and Ren have both had a job at the local grocery. One person filled out their W-4 with an exempt status, and one did not. So throughout the course of this case study, you're going to see Susan, who filled hers out regularly because she entered in her information in step 1 and entered in her information in step 5. Ren, however, chose to use an exempt status. And an exempt status is described right here. So basically, what Ren is doing by putting exempt is that Ren is saying she knows that she's not going to make as much as the standard deduction amount. And so she is going to be exempt from having any withholdings taken from her paycheck. So so Susan is not exempt, Ren is exempt. So your task with knowing that information and looking at some of the resources are going to be to answer seven series of questions. So we have questions part 1, and you can use this navigation pane over here to see all of the questions. So here's part 1 questions, part 2, part 3. So each questions that you're answering is going to be over a specific chunk of information about what's right above it. So since this is a test, you need to be sure that you are being as descriptive in your answers as possible. That demonstrates to me that you understand the answers that you are giving. So again, this is our test. You are going to be following two people, Susan and Ren, and looking at how they have filled out their W-4 forms and what impact that makes on their W-2. And then the very last question bank is, who do you believe made a better decision when they completed their W-4 form, Ren or Susan? Be sure that you support your response. You only need to choose one person. So you're either going to say Ren made a better decision or Susan did. By the way, your job is to choose who you agree with and support why. So you cannot choose a wrong person, Ren or Susan. The only thing that you will get counted off on this question is if you do not provide support as to why you think Ren or Susan chose the best option. Okay? So if you are working on this Tuesday at home, I will see you in class on Wednesday to finish this up. And if you're working on this in class, we'll just go over it in class on Tuesday. Have a good one.